Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jake here from Victory Road once again. Sorry for the delay in this one, but you know, things happen. It's all right. It's life. Today we have our beautiful Glaceon V-Star here for good luck. I just last second thought of that, and today we have two Fusion Strike packs that I just stray ones that I had laying around. And instead of an ETB today, I decided to get 8 sleeved, individually sleeved silver Tempest packs. There we are. And just leave these right here. Just don't want to get in the way of the Glaceon. And I chose these just because in the past I've had very random RNG with individually wrapped packs, and I've also heard that you can get better pulls, or I don't know, I've read that you're more likely to get a pack that has a decent hit in it in an ETB. So I'm just kind of testing the waters with it today because I don't know, I just want to see for myself. But we're gonna start off with the 2 Fusion Strikes here. See how this goes. The Pokemon Company. I'm gonna do what I normally do with these as well, and man, they make. I say it literally every single video. I say it, they make these so hard to open. I'm going to try to not show any of the border colors of the code cards, just because I don't like to know. I like the randomness. I'm assuming Fusion Strikes 4 cards. I think all the Sword and Shield sets are, but I believe that's right. We're gonna get right into here. Psychic Energy, Ninetales. As always, love seeing the 151. Togedemaru, Quick Ball, Panseer. If anybody wants to give me lessons on how to play, that'd be great, because don't get me wrong, I'm good at card games, but I don't know, having somebody else there along the way always makes things better. Baltoy, Galarian Corsola, and or just the Ghost of Corsola, Quillfish, Dancer, and non-hollow Blissey. Still nice though. We'll take it. Take anything, because I don't have a choice at this point. I know I've said on here before that, just opening cards in general just brings me happiness. But this last week when I wasn't able to, when I got in the routine of opening cards, Grass Energy, dang. Once it came time and I wasn't able to open cards on my normal schedule, it really started to bother me. I knew that that I loved doing this, but I didn't know that if I were to stop. Breloom reverse, very nice, and we got a Genesect V, not bad. First hit. I mean, that's 1 for 2, so not bad. Okay, let me see if I got some sleeves. Even though it is just a V, I am gonna sleeve. I always sleeve the hits. Always sleeve the hits. Okay, we got 8 Silver Tempest packs, which equals, the same as what comes in 1 ETB. But actually, when I bought these, it came out to be cheaper than what an ETB would have costed, which is another reason why I was, let me see. Oh, wow. The pack on these does not match the pack art on the inside, just so you know. I didn't pick any according to the pack art on the thing. I just now realized it and thought about, yeah. Togedemaru looks like he's got to take a dump. try hard. Grass Energy, Ferrothorn, Professor Laventon, Matang, Togedemaru, Halucha, Petalil. Just making sure the focus is right for you guys. Hey, there's our boy Pikachu. There he is. Hey, Growlithe. Love seeing the 151s. I've pulled this one a bunch from Silver Tempest, but always love seeing it. Wailord Reverse, and we got a Miss Magius non-hollow. First pack was a bust, dude. I'm not rich yet, bro. JK. That's nice. Had the Lugia pack art in there. Very beautiful. Yeah, I got it. Getting the hang of this. Alrighty. Pack number 2, what do you do? And I'm gonna call Fire Energy. Dang, grass again. Wow, look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Hypno, what up, bro? Arkin. Serena. Something about fossil Pokemon always fascinated me. Beldum. Claydol, or Clay Baltoy, or Claydol is a Pokemon too. It's just funny that it came out like that. Sunkern. Phanpy. Phanpy's actually one of my all-time favorite Pokemon. Donphan is too, but Phanpy, just because, like, I don't know, I always liked playing the games as Ash would, you know, never evolve Pikachu. I would always keep one Pokemon baby form, and Phanpy was always my one. Palossand? I actually have never seen that before. And a Keldeo non-hollow. We are 0 for 2 on Silver Tempest. Like I said, the RNG on these sleeve packs can be wild. And I didn't pick them like straight all in one order. I like to jump around and grab like 2 or 3 at a time from different spots. So who knows? If I don't get anything from these, maybe it's a good idea to go back and get the rest. What do you think? Well, let me know in the comments. I've also just always wanted to pull like an air card or something. It doesn't even have to be anything crazy. Like it could just be like a, I've seen what was it? It's a Mewtwo V, but the hollow on it was like scrunched all the way up, and just that alone is just crazy. We got Fire Energy. Jinx looking creepy as heck. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. So I think Jinx was supposed to be like, I don't know, Nicki Minaj, Altaria, Petalil, Murkrow, Rotom. Did anyone else notice in the show growing up too, or in the movies, as they released like Pokemon 2000, the third movie was Entei, and the openings to all those movies, there is usually, ooh, look at that, Jinx, trainer gallery, nice. I've never pulled that. Beautiful. I was just talking about Jinx too. And we got, wow, we got the normal Lugia V. No way. This is not the alternate art, but we finally got one. Let's go. This is the start. And it was in a double header pack. That could have been it though. Wow. Beautiful pack. Let me grab some more sleeves here. Wow. That is honestly probably the best V card in the set to pull. Let me see here. There we go. Back in focus again. Wow. We actually got one of the Lugia cards. Very nice. Very nice. These sleeves don't do it justice, but there we go. My phone keeps going out of focus here. And the jinx with it. So pack number 3 did us some justice. Pack number three saved us. Let's go. Pack number 4. You know, I always hope that the 7th pack, if there is at least 7 packs, so the 7th pack that I open in whatever it is I'm opening is going to be the lucky one, because that's always my lucky number. But I don't know, that number 3 is starting to get superstitious. And that was the Lugia, V out of the Lugia pack art too. Wow. Would you look at that? See, like that pack opens so easy. Dang, I was gonna call the energy on this too. Vitar. We got Matang. We got Fierceode Girl. Lopunny. Clink. Petalil. Litten. Murkrow. Rotom. Regenerative Energy. And we got a Gardevoir non-holo. I know I randomly touch on Pokemon Go because I still play. I play for battles mostly, but my account's got almost 5,000 wins, longest win streak, I think 36 wins straight. But Gardevoir is one of the top Pokemon to have in honestly any tier. Just so strong. Pack number 4 didn't have Jack, but honestly, we got the Lugia, and he's going up here with Glaceon. There we go. Okay. Can we get another Lugia pack art with another Lugia card in it? What are the odds of that, huh? Yeah. Lightning energy. Dang, grass again. So much grass energy today. What's going on? I'm off my game. Quad Stone. Regenerative energy. Unidentified fossil. Indeedy. Or I was talking about learning how to play earlier. If anybody knows like any streamers or anybody on YouTube that they could recommend me to, I would be very, very thankful. Baltoy. Clink, clank, plunk. Petalil, was there 2 Petalilos? I have it. Oh no, that's Sunkern. My bad. Petalil on every other pack, my bad. Hey, Flaffy Trainer Gallery, very nice, very nice. And we got a non-holo Incineroar. Not bad, not bad. I will gladly take it. You see your sleeve. And we got 3 packs left. Honestly, just because of the Lugia, I'm satisfied. Because I've opened 8 packs and pulled nothing worth more than $1, so I will gladly take it. 2 more shots to get another Lugia pack card. We'll see how well this goes. Please, Almighty Lord, God of Pokemon RNG, let me get an alternate art. Come on, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy with it, man. I refuse to go grass energy again. We're going psychic. Dang, fighting. It's been a lot of fighting today too. I can't with this. Furioso Girl, Lopunny, Quadstone, Vulpix, Emolga, Chancha, Baneri, Drowsy. We got Golbat Reverse and another Keldeo non-holo. We got 2 in today. The final 2. Oh, another Regieleki pack art. Can't with this guy. Can't win with this man. Another Litton for, this is a sign that this is going to be a lit pack. Going fire energy. Damn, grass again. Wow, I can't believe this. Primordial Altar. Dedenne. Are like the first like 4 or 5 Pokemon movies ever made. What is your guys' favorite? Braixen, Litton, Petalil, Chinchou, Ferroseed. Okay, I can never know, is his face, you know, this way or is it supposed to be this way? I'm not sure. Pikachu. A boy making his appearance. Wow, Radiant Jirachi. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. I didn't even know he was in here. Jirachi's actually, I think, one of my brother's favorite Pokemons, or he was. That's gorgeous. Shiny Legendary. Let's go. And a non-holo Among Us. They're Among Us. Our boy Jirachi joining the patty. Last pack, last one. Until maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Depends on how this last pack goes, potentially. And wow, I think the only actual Lugia pack art we had today was the one that had Lugia in it. How insane is that? Last pack magic, y'all. I'd never seen that Sandcastle reverse earlier. I'm assuming this is the first stage. Sandygast. And you know what? Why not? Grass energy? I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Oh well. Behem. Got Braixen. Sigilyph. Another Sandygast. Or no, that's the first one. I forgot. I did the card trick. Relicanth. Or is it Relican? There's no canth and can. Halucha. Togedemaru. Constipated as ever. Petalil. 1 Petalil on the pack. I told you. And the reverse. A V-Guard energy. And ooh, we got a Superior V for our last pull. Not bad, not bad. Very pretty, very pretty. Well, guys, that does it for the packs. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all enjoyed watching me get the first. Hope you all enjoyed watching me pull the first Lugia. It's a big checklist, big check on my list. Jirachi is also just an awesome pull. A couple new trainer galleries and this guy right here. So for opening 10 packs total, 2 from Fusion Strike 8 from Silver Tempest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not bad. Honestly, I've seen worse pull rates. Let me do that again with the beautiful. And well, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe. We appreciate it. See you on the other side. Have a good one.